Good morning, everybody. Happy Thursday. It's November 16th. Market's currently off to slightly red start, if I remember right. There's a few names in the big tech names that are down. NASDAQ futures right now down by 0.27%. Let's see. I'm looking to take a couple of shorts on the open and then maybe some long positions. Later expiration dates, I haven't had as much time to trade lately. Been working at a local private equity firm, so fun stuff. I'm gonna go for Microsoft first. I think that's either Microsoft or Google. Two bearish opportunities there, especially Google. I think short term. I do have a shorter expiration date there, so we'll see. How much is the Discord right now? $30 monthly. You could also join the free one too. There's plenty of other members in the free one. And I still give some information there if you're wanting to ask any questions and stuff. Let's see though. 134 Google puts. This one's expiring next Friday. Keep in mind. Not this Friday. That would be a little bit too dramatic. Alright, they're going for 50 each right now. Man, my computer's being really slow. 53. 51 fill. Okay. Alright, those are already running up to 60 apiece. Nice drop off of about 138. Pre-market high. And then Microsoft, that put for 12/1 expiration. It's trading at 371. Entry closer to 372, 373 might be a little bit better. Those are expensive though. Oh, the 380 calls are the ones that are expensive. The 360 puts are not too shabby. Same expiration on them too. Almost equal distance, but those calls are getting inflated. Thanks to this huge rally we're seeing for the Qs, almost at 52-week highs. Good morning, Peter. And I do want to take a couple long opportunities too. Let's see. Apple was a potential. Already running up like crazy though. Those calls were at 90 apiece yesterday. Now they're to 130. Alright. Well, looks like almost everything's in the red besides Apple, Microsoft, Google right now. So let's take that Microsoft put. It's close to 372, not quite where I want, but we'll snag it up. Right now it's at 197 with a low at 184. And try to get it a little bit cheaper if we can. It's trading at 190, 195. again, the low is 185. I feel comfortable at about 188, 190. All right, now it's down to 184. That's not. All right. Now back to 372. So this is where we need our entry. 180 fill. Not the best price on it, but those Google puts are doing a run. In the meantime, trading down to 136.50. Got 4 of those. Right now up about 60. 15 over 51. Right now we're up about 30%, so I could just close some of these. Sold those at 69. Ooh, they spread that really bad. That spread is 9 cents wide. Crazy. Hopefully, this will make the calls on my watch list a bit cheaper. It's a real nice drop on Google, though. The spread is still kind of crazy. 67 to 76. Apple and Microsoft are still runners, though. I'm going to go through not just the daily, but also the weekly. Ooh, Google is a really good setup on the daily. It's a really, really nice setup here. Just kind of a stair step to the upside. I was assuming it would fill in that gap down to 134. Already took profits on that bet, but let's see where we stand on the weekly chart. No consolidation there, but definitely some consolidation on the daily. Might take it back to the upside. Maybe a 3-week expiration, $6 higher to 142. Those are going for 95 each. Not too shabby. If we go with December 15th expiration, they're trading. Oh, they don't have $1 spreads there. We got 144, 3-week expiration. Hold on. I think it should be 142. Yeah, 142, 3-week expiration. It's going for 100 each right now. That was a really nice dip down there, though. Wish I'd snagged them while they were cheap. Low volume on these, so be careful. They haven't traded at all today. Nobody's traded these. But a very strong bounce at almost 136, 136.06. Huge wick on this 15. Let's see how the rest of the market, I'd imagine, is probably reacting the same way. Amazon, Huge wick down to 139.50 and popped back off. Tesla is pretty flat this morning. Let's see, yesterday. Okay, so it's inside of yesterday's bar. Barely. Might be an opportunity for later on today. Kind of low in cash. Do you own any stocks for covered calls under 15 or 25? Let's see. 15 and 25 is pretty hard to find, especially. Well, I guess you could do something like Chewy. It'll be more volatile, obviously, being a high beta name. So this one is up from 16 to 20. Right now it's trading at about 21, so you're spending about 2,100 for 100 shares. What else? I was going to say Take-Two, but I know that's like $150 stock or so. Yeah. Take-Two is a really good setup, though. Really want to take another stab at it. But you also have to consider stocks that you actually want to hold for the long term if you're going to go with cover calls as well. So that's kind of a independent decision, I would say. Look for companies that have decent free cash flow or future free cash flow. Right now, actual free cash flow is important because of the high rates that we're going through. But I really want to take two down to 152 next week, maybe. If it's cheap, yeah, they're not too bad. Low volume on it, not ideal. But I'm looking for that gap fill at 151, 152. I don't want to pay 170 for that, though. And it'd probably be better to get this when it's trading closer to 154. Yesterday's close. It's not too far off, though. I'll try to place an order for 155 first, or 150. I don't want to buy 4, I just want to buy 1. There we go. Yeah, nobody wants to fill that.